Alright guys, so for this trick we're gonna need a new can of soda, a pin, and black paper. That's gonna be pretty much it. So with the black paper, what you wanna do is to form this little hole on the can of soda so it actually looks like it's open. And it's gonna depend on the perspective of your spectator, but if I show you this just like that, even though it's actually like thick paper, I would recommend you something thinner. But if I show you this, it kind of looks like it's open. For the second part of this trick, you want to make a hole with a pin. You want to make it in the same position where you're going to be holding the can of soda with your index or your thumb. Try to make it like 3/4 and above the actual can of soda. So the way I did it on the previous one is actually right here, where it says real, on the A of real. So when I was pouring the soda, I was still covering the hole with my thumb. Also, it helps you because when you remove this part, then you're gonna have to shake the soda so that the gas inflates it. So when you're holding the hole and you shake it, that's when the magic actually happens. When you make the hole in the can, just be careful because of the gas that's inside, it's gonna actually pop it out pretty hard. Once you make the hole, what you want to do is squeeze the can of soda a little bit so that it gives the illusion that the can is actually empty. And that's it, you're ready to perform. So place your hole, your fake hole, on top of the can of soda. Then again, be careful on how you're showing this to your spectator, because if you show it like this, it's gonna be kind of like, hey, what do you have there? But if you show it like front, like how I'm showing to you guys, it's gonna look like it's actually a hole. Then with your thumb, you're gonna remove that fake hole. And then you wanna make sure that nobody sees it. So you can just throw it after, or you can put it on your pocket. Most people are just gonna be looking at the can of soda, so that's not gonna be a problem for you. Then make sure that you're holding, you're actually covering with your index or your thumb the hole. So as you can see, the hole is right here. So I'm gonna be covering with my thumb, and then just shake a little bit the can, and you see, because of the gas inside, it's just taking form again. So it's all done. But you don't wanna remove your finger from the hole. Otherwise, you're gonna let something like that. You don't want your spectator to listen to that. On the other hand, what you want to do is actually open the can so that the spectator can listen to this sound. This sound kind of makes it look like, whoa, like it's completely new. Then put it right away and just keep it going. That's it guys, enjoy.
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, as well as follow us on our social media if you want to get some updates.
More shake and telling the kind of is gonna fail. It's gonna refill with air the soda, the can, and then what you want to do is make it